Hello and welcome to HiWayFX market news for February 12, 2016. Yesterday, the key trading pair continued its growth until the mark of 1.1376, as investors were selling US dollars on bets the Federal Reserve could be done raising interest rates. This morning, we're observing a technical correction. The Euro-US dollar trades near the level of 1.1320. One of the key events for today is releasing retail sales in the US at 1:30 p.m. GMT. Analysts expect an increase by 0.1% month to month. The strong data from the US may support the American dollar, and the Euro-US dollar pair may slide further. The resistance levels for the euro are 1.1403 and 1.1460. The support levels for the Euro-US dollar are following 1.1300 and 1.1243. Yesterday, the Swedish krona slumped as much as 1.6% to 9.61 per euro, the lowest since August, as Sweden's central bank lowered its key interest rates even further below zero. This morning, after a small rebound, the krona continues its fall against the euro. The euro-Swedish krona pair trades near the level of 9.50. As Bloomberg reports, the Sweden central bank is prepared to use its full toolbox of measures as it battles to revive inflation and keep the krona from appreciating. The interest rate was reduced to minus 0.50% from minus 0.3%. Swedish policymakers have unleashed unprecedented stimulus over the past year to save the economy from deflation and keep the krona from appreciating. They were forced to respond as their colleagues at the far larger European Central Bank are also going all out to revive price growth and sustain an expansion across Europe. The resistance levels for the euro-Swedish krona pair are 9.62 and 9.68. The support levels for the krona are following 9.46 and 9.43. Yesterday, gold jumped as much as 5.8% to $1,263.90 an ounce, the highest since February 2015, and the gain was the biggest intraday advance since 2009. This morning, we're observing a technical correction. Gold loses 0.4% and trades near the level of $1,245. As Bloomberg writes, gold has climbed 18% this year, making it the best performing commodity. The outlook for US interest rates to stay low has boosted gold's appeal because it doesn't pay interest like some other assets. Investors are piling into funds backed by the metal at the fastest pace in 7 years. As global stocks enter a bear market, gold is on the verge of bull status. The resistance levels for gold are $1,248 and $1,264. The support levels for the gold are following $1,231 and $1,214. Oil tumbled to $26 per barrel, its lowest level in more than 12 years, as crude stockpiles at the delivery point for New York futures expanded to a record. Today we're observing a technical rebound. Oil soars over 4% and trades near the level of $27. As Bloomberg reports, oil is down 29% this year on speculation a global glut will persist an Iranian export increase after the removal of sanctions, and US crude inventories remain swollen. US stockpiles are more than 130 million barrels above the 5-year average, even after dropping by 754,000 barrels last week, according to Energy Information Administration data. The resistance levels for oil are $27.50 and $28.20. The support levels for US crude are $27 and $26.50. Stay up to date with all the key financial news around the world by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. For more information, please visit our website www.hiwayfx.com. Thank you and have a good trading day.